Let's do our room tour. This is Suite 600 on the Seabourn Odyssey, and you are standing by the front door. A half bath for your guests. Let's open the door here. As you can see, it has a toilet and a sink, and a nice little fluffy white rug here so that your feet don't get cold. Across from the half bath is a mirror and a nice little table here with flowers and a little card that says, "Welcome aboard, Daniela." And we met Daniela and she gave us a room tour. She was super sweet and she took us all over the room. I'll probably play a couple clips of her showing us the room. As we move further into the room, we had someone came to drop off our suitcases, and if you haven't seen the review I've done on them, make sure to check that out. As we move this way, this is the Minibar. They had cute little salmon and cream cheese with dill on mini baguettes here, but we ate them already. And if you move in here, there is a little sink, a coffee maker, and even the little coffee pods are cute. Down here is the mini fridge with different beverages in here. And if you need to store anything down here, you can as well, because they do provide storage underneath the sink. As we move further into the room, there is this nice cabinet here where you push them and they open, and the same to close. So you just push, open, and close. Here we had our tour tickets. If you have any credit on board, which we do, and just different information that you need about the ship, the spa, the Thomas Keller Grill. They really like fresh flowers on the ship, so we do have fresh flowers here as well. And moving on to the dining area. This seats 4. It's a nice glass table with poinsettias. They had some fresh fruit, kiwi, apple, pear, and my mom already ate the orange, so it's not here right now. We were a little hungry when we made it here, so we ate the things that they provided. Moving further into the room again, we have bar stools and a lot of space, which seems weird on a cruise ship. If you're used to cruising on Royal Caribbean or Carnival, you're not used to space, and there's just a whole lot of space in this room. I think when I remember looking at the room, they said that the owner suite has usually comes sized between 611 square feet to 675 square feet. I'm not sure which one we are, but anything over 600 is just huge for us. So this is really cool to be in a room that has so much space. And something really cool about this room is we were supposed to have a veranda suite. And my mom talked to Seabourn and said, "Hey, my daughter's a blogger. Is there any way we can stay in the owner suite for free?" And they said yes. So because Seabourn said yes, we got an upgrade. We did pay for the veranda suite, but we got upgraded to the owner suite for free, and I get to show you this room that's super huge and probably bigger than some people's apartments. Let's move on. There's a little lovely cedar here and a large sofa. It's a nice large sofa. My mom and I were hanging out here before the muster drill, and they do provide tropical flowers here as well with an atlas of the world. From here we do have the big screen TV, which you can see your safety information or movies. We were checking out the movies, and you can get movies on demand, and it doesn't look like it charges you, which is really cool. And I really like this desk. It has glitter in the desk. I don't know who puts glitter in their desk, but apparently Seabourn does. So right next to the desk, you do have a library, a mini library, where we have books on both sides of the bookshelf and a nice sparkly desk. Well, hello there. Welcome to our bedroom. In here, we have our suitcases on the beds because the gentleman who brought our other suitcases offered to put these on our beds for us to make it easier for us to unpack. So they're already up here, and that was nice of him. You have the option of having the beds together or separate, and we decided to have 2 twin beds. So if you are staying in rooms 600 or 601, which are both owner suite, you are going to be on the same level as the whirlpool, which you can see from the window. The way this works is You can see them clearly, but they can't see you clearly. They can't see you until they're right up into the window. So if you see someone do that, close your curtains because they can actually see you. Moving further into the room though, they provide a little mini closet where if you want to hang up some things in here, you definitely can, but they have such a big closet on the other side that you may not even want to use this. So when you first step in, there is a full-length mirror right across from the closet, so you can try things on and see how you look right away. They also provide these storage shelves with a place to put your shoes. So you can put your shoes in there, and then you don't have to worry about walking all over them. And here in the closet, you're provided with a lot of hanger space up here and a nice rod down here as well. You can place some things up here if you'd like, and you get 2 robes and 2 sets of slippers. Here we have our safe. Also, they provide shoe polisher and a sewing kit, and a lint brush is way back there as well. In this drawer there are laundry bags and information sheets on how to do laundry on the ship. You can also use these drawers for storage for your clothing. Unfortunately, it is raining in Barbados right now, but it's really nice that Seabourn does provide an umbrella for you. And here we have the hairdryer. Moving on to the restroom. In this bathroom, we have a nice jacuzzi tub and a bath mat with a couple towels over there. And on this side, we have the shower and the toilet.
We also had a balcony where we could watch the gorgeous sunset every night, and it was just amazing. Watch the video of our embarkation day where we started at the Sandals Barbados Resort and then moved on to this Seabourn cruise. And if you like videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video.
Jumping jacks, jumping jacks, jumping jacks, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay, ready?
Yes.